Hey everybody, I'm Jeff Teague with Fred Anderson Toyota. Welcome back to the next edition of Toyota Car Care Talk. We've got a celebrity roundtable in the dealership here. We've got Brian and Phil. First of all, Brian, what is your role here?
I'm the service director.
Fantastic. How long have you been involved in the car business?
I've been in the car business 20 years.
Okay, and how long at Fred Anderson?
10 years here at Fred Anderson Toyota.
Fantastic. And Phil, our master diagnostic technician, he's also our apprentice coach, so he knows a lot about instructing people on maintenance, repair, and service. So we think we're going to be a good help to you. How you doing today, Phil?
Great.
Great. And how long have you been in the car business?
I've been in the car business with Toyota about 20 years.
Oh, fantastic. And how long at Fred Anderson Toyota?
2 years.
Okay, great. This episode is going to be focused on oil changes, and maybe oil service intervals. A lot of you have questions about that one. We're going to see if we can get some help here. Let's open this one up. Here's a question. Do you get any owners that want their oil changed at 1,000 miles? If so, would you get any pushback on this? Who wants to start?
Yeah, and we get customers quite often that ask if there's any type of a break-in period, anything where they should change their oil, pre-scheduled maintenance. You have a 5,000 mile service, 10,000 mile service, and there's a lot of questions on when you should service your oil for the first time. So completely understand there's a lot of guests that would like to get that initial break-in oil out and get it in, but honestly, it's completely up to the customer. If you want to change your oil to 1,000 miles, 500 miles, there's no issue with that whatsoever. We go by the maintenance manual that Toyota provides us and their engineers say, so most synthetic vehicles are at 10,000 miles for their first interval.
Phil, do you want to add anything in on that?
Just like you said, Toyota engines are broken in before they're put in the vehicle, so there's no break-in oil change, and
Okay.
10,000 miles is a recommended service, but it's totally up to the customer when they want to change their oil.
Yeah. And Phil, what are some situations where you might recommend a 5,000 mile servicing? Are there any specific Toyota models that might have lower recommendations or sooner?
Any vehicle that's probably driven professionally, just on rough roads or just towing or hauling, anything outside of normal driving conditions, I would recommend.
Like a Tundra on dirty roads or something like that?
Definitely.
So if somebody comes in, we have the ToyotaCare, which offers certain servicings, and we've got our family plan. How does that affect if somebody wants to come in at 1,000 or 5,000 and they want to change their oil then?
Yeah, good question. ToyotaCare covers the first 5 services or 25,000 miles or 2 years, whichever comes first. At that 5,000 interval, most vehicles that we have now are a fluid top-off, a general inspection underneath and on the undercarriage, a tire rotation, make sure everything's breaking in right as far as suspension components, body components, things like that. We test the battery at every service, but it is not typically an oil change. Now, if a customer would like to get an oil change done, they feel free to do so. They can ask us to do that. There's 2 things that we can do typically for them. We can use one of their oil change intervals, say their 10,000 mile service a little early. Unfortunately, it does use that service, so you can't use it again. Or if you'd like to come out of pocket, you can be more than willing to purchase an oil change. We would do that for you at any interval that you so wish.
Next question here. Do either of you have an opinion on this one? They want to know, what is the best oil brand to use in my vehicle? Phil, do you have any opinions on this one?
The best oil brand is Toyota's brand, but they do accept Mobil 1 as well as a comparable oil, or maybe even an upgrade oil.
Yeah, I agree. Mobil 1 is a fantastic oil. It has a long-lasting reputation. We do use Mobil 1 substantially here at our dealership. It's a phenomenal oil. The good thing is that with most synthetic oils, they're made in a laboratory and not pulled out of the ground. So they don't break down as fast. And Mobil 1 is tried and true brand and has been around for many years. So that's who we trust.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense. I want to know specifically about the viscosity here. For example, somebody says, I have a Toyota Crown Limited and it says it requires 0W8 oil. Can I use 0W16 instead? What do you think about that, Phil?
I would definitely recommend using what Toyota says, the 0W8. That particular engine is designed to run off of that oil, and that's what you should use.
I would agree. Just to touch on that, anything when you pop the hood, Toyota is very explicit on listing what oil viscosity is under the hood, whether it's on the oil cap itself or there's some type of a placard or sticker underneath the hood. I would recommend following that no matter what.
Yeah, that makes total sense. And ironically enough, there's another question based on that too. It says online, it says I should use 0W8 oil, but on the sticker under my hood, it says 0W16. Which one should I use? So what's a good rule to use? Should you go with online recommendations that you've been searching and finding?
100% understand that, and just kind of touching back to my previous statement, just fall back on what the car's asking. You know what that sticker is underneath the hood. You cannot go wrong with following the manufacturer's recommendation on oil viscosity. There's it doesn't seem like it, but that's double the weight. You know, 0W8 to 0W16. So it's definitely a different viscosity, and you want to follow what the vehicle is requesting.
Yeah, and Phil, is there any negative symptom or feedback? Not feedback, but negative reaction if you keep switching the viscosity, maybe by season or every other change, because maybe you read that that's the way to do it, or you prefer to do it?
Yeah, well, you want to do what the vehicle says to do, and by switching back and forth, you could change. The vehicle's learning certain things because these cars are smart. They know, the ECU knows how it's supposed to run on the particular oil it's designed for. So if it doesn't have the proper oil, it could actually throw the ECU off a little bit, and then going back and forth could definitely cause your car to run a little rough after some time.
Thanks, guys. I really appreciate that. Hopefully that helped you out. Phil, thanks for your time today. I really appreciate it. And Brian, thank you so much. If you guys have any questions about service, repair, or maintenance, leave it down in the comment section and we'll try to address that just like we have with these questions in future episodes. Be sure to follow Fred Anderson Toyota. Just click that subscribe there and follow us on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. And we'll give you all your answers about service, repair, and maintenance. Thanks so much for following. See ya. Well, the video's over, but we thought we'd show you some inventory here. This is the new car lot. We've got lots of RAV4s, RAV4 hybrids, the Grand Highlander. You'll see some Priuses over there. A whole row of Camrys. We're starting to get more inventory in, which is great for customers. It's great for the dealership because we can offer variety. What else? The Crown Sedan versus the Crown Signia. How about Tacomas? We've got Corollas. Corolla Cross, excellent for versatility, for space, fun to drive, good values, and they're reliable. And how about the Tundra, the full-size beast? Our job at Fred Anderson Toyota is to supply a great number of cars, trucks, and SUVs for you and your family and your work, and also to help you buy them and make it an easy process, whether you're local or long distance. We also want to help you learn more about these cars as you research and after you've purchased them. So we hope you follow us on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. And of course, check our inventory at fredandersontoyota.com. See you next time.